if the stream does a bit better when I'm outside, for it to catch on immediately or whatnot. And obviously, the things that I'm using, or the instruments that I'm using, take a while for the stream to actually kick up into gear on the website. But it looks like I am live now. I got a suggestion from one of my viewers yesterday on my Twitch channel that I change over the category and settings and whatnot. So I've done that on that channel. If anybody has any other suggestions about how to make this thing better, I certainly welcome it all. I'm certainly looking forward to any feedback you can give me. Today, starting off, I'm in the office working like I'm always doing, but I am going to continue working on some cases for a client of mine that needs me to get that out today, so that he can get some assistance on some things. So I'm going to work on that today, as well as I need to try to get in contact with some claims adjusters on some cases to see if they are having a come to Jesus moment on some of these offers, and if not, then we'll just have to prepare to go to trial and have our day in court. And I'm actually kind of looking forward to it. The way our civil justice system is set up right now, not many cases actually get to trial anymore. I read a statistic somewhere saying that somewhere between 85 to 90% of civil matters actually settle. But so it's always my intention, to try to go into a case without having to go through all the hoopla and the arguments, and all the unnecessariness, things that people usually endure when dealing with a car accident, or a truck accident, motorcycle accident, bicycle accident, pedestrian accident, car wreck, whatever you want to call it. Because I like to expeditiously handle any type of personal injury matter that I can, or any case for that matter, for my clients. I mean, back when I did criminal law, it wasn't my intention to try to reset a case, 50,000 times, but we would have to do what we have to do to get the proper resolution out of the case. But usually, I'm a straight shooter, and most people that encounter me over time realize that. So they see that I'm not holding any extra cards. I'm going to tell you how it is, because I believe that when it's time to go in front of a jury and time to talk to our peers, that they will respect the fact that you're just putting the cards on the table and you're letting them decide what the true value of the case is. I think the epitome of a good trial attorney is someone who can properly evaluate a case before taking it to trial. They can look at it and kind of have an idea of what to expect from a jury. That's a gift, I think, that a lot of people don't necessarily have. I mean, the whole idea behind a lot of theory with trial work is, to become a good trial lawyer, you just try as many cases as you possibly can. And I mean, maybe that's not such a bad idea. I mean, obviously there'll be some kinks that you'll need to work out over time, just like anything else. Repetition, I guess, builds the muscle, whatever category it is. But at the same time, I believe that there's no need to necessarily waste clients' time if they're not going to receive the like I said, the resolution, or what they're attempting to get out of it all. So I only really try to file lawsuits when I have to, but if I have to file a lawsuit, I intend to go completely all the way. I don't intend to mediate, even though the judge is going to make us mediate. They're not going to. Generally speaking, with an insurance company, if you have to go downtown and you have to file a lawsuit, you better just go ahead and just realize you're going to trial. And that's how I approach it.